today. We're making a free warning before this video starts. It's now kind of a warning. Just to be saying I don't know why, but there's a problem with my recording. Yesterday there was like some bugs and like weird noises in the background. Ooh, sorry about that. But sorry really about that. Like really sorry. I'm really sorry about that. I have to fix it. I said that in previous video, but I still couldn't get it. If you hear more background, I don't know. But my headphones, the jack is like when you plug them in, it's tilted, so it might make some static noises like it did in the last video. But anyways, this will not work. So this is just for entertainment purposes. This is just for fun, not working at all. This is not even a threat. I'm just gonna be imitating another guy. Like his name is Roblox Lover. Subscribe to his channel. Well, he does the same thing I'm gonna do in this video. So, yeah, guys, make sure to subscribe to this channel and to his, because I'm gonna be imitating him in this video. But anyways, let's just get into the video. But remember, this will not work. This is just for fun. So if you think and you tell your friends like, oh, watch this video. Hey, Jimmy, watch this video and you will get free robux, like 1 billion free robux. Oh my god. And that's not in the video, but yeah. Enjoy the video, I guess. Hey guys, welcome to a brand new video, and today we're gonna be playing, or no, we're not playing. We're kind of gonna be playing. No, today it's a tutorial on how to get 1 million free robux. Oh my god, free robux. But okay, let's just get into it. So first off, we will need to hack someone, and yeah, we need to hack someone. So first off, you have to go, and we're gonna need to hack John Doe. No reason for hacking him. Just hack him. I don't know why. It's just instructions. Okay. Do not judge a book by its cover. So okay. Do not judge a book by its cover. So do not think this is fake. Even though I said it, even though I'm gonna probably say it in the title, but anyways, but okay. Anyways, this is not fake. Not fake. It's super real. So if anybody says, oh, that's so fake, no, it's not. It's very real. And if someone probably said that, is because it didn't work for them. So yeah, let's go. So we're gonna go on this wrist. That is inappropriate. Let me just fix that real quick. Yeah, there we go. It's not inappropriate anymore. So what you have to do is you have to be a baby. And now you have to type in this code. You have to type in this. Oh, someone just went in my set. Hack. Player. And then you have to type in the name. John. Doe, because this guy has 2. If you have the space name, you have to just put in. You have to put in this. Hack John Doe equals. And now we need so we're gonna need 1 million robux from him. So we're just gonna put 1 capital M plus. There we go. Hack this. Type in this right now. Pause the video. Type in this right now. Give you a second. Okay, when you type that in, you have to just go into your house. Go to your estate now that you paid good money for. What? already someone says at what? You have to go to your state. Do not judge this, because this was when it was out and I bought it for. Now you have to, if you don't have the computer, you have to sit on the computer and wait exactly 1 minute. So I'll be back when 1 minute is past. One minute. Okay, it's been 1 minute here. So if you can see right here, it's been 1 minute. So now when you have waited 1 minute, you have to go into every single room in your house. Every single room. Have you went to every single room? Then you have to go to your door. So first hack. So now we have to we hacked someone to get that robux. So we have to go to the playground, which you have to go between we have to go between these. So I'll just go to the playground. Look, you have to go by between these doors. You can't pass through. Okay, let's go to this right now. Do you know to the hi? Okay, now what you have to do is you have to go to the furniture store. And now you have to type in a code, and if it censors, it works like real. If it's censored, you get a 1 million bonus, because you don't want to give out that code. So if it's censored, you get 1 million. So if it's censored, you get an extra 1 million robux. So now you have to type in 5902371. Okay, so that means I'm gonna get 1 million robux. Now you have to get here, go to the door, and just click on the posters, and just exit out of it. Go out. And now what you have to do is you have to turn into an adult. Where is it? Where do you turn into an adult? I don't know, but just become a teen. I'm a bit smaller than this guy. No, I want to be. Well, yeah, go back to normal. Now, what you have to do is you have to go to the town, and then while you're going to the town, leave the game. Okay, when you've done that, now you have to now when you've done that, you're perfectly all to go. So now we've done this. Now you have to go to the catalog. And you have to go and you have to click on the cartoon. Oopsies. I exit out of it. I'll be back. Like I was saying, go to the cartoony one, and you're just gonna click more. And now you have to refresh your page. And now now you're all perfect to go. So now go to here and click home, and you should have 1 million robux, but it's gonna take like 10 minutes. So yeah, I'll see you guys. I'll see you guys in 10 minutes. Okay, guys, it's been 10 minutes, and we finally got the 1 million robux. Oh my god, guys. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys get the Robux. Spend it on the Dominuses. Probably you can buy some Dominuses, but yeah. See you guys next. See you actually today, because I'm uploading another video today. It's just a review of it's just a review. So yeah. See you guys.